your pizza, your phone, even you are all built by chemistry. But what is chemistry and why should you care? Strap in, we're time traveling 13.8 billion years in 3 minutes. Ready? Let's go. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the science of matter and change. It's why ice melts, why food tastes delicious, and why fireworks light up the sky. From the air you breathe to the screen you're staring at, chemistry is everywhere. Think of it like this. Chemistry is the ultimate recipe book of the universe. It tells us how things are made, how they change, and how they work. And guess what? You're about to become a chemistry pro. Atoms, the building blocks of everything. Everything around you, your desk, your water bottle, even your favorite snacks, is made of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms are like the Lego blocks of the universe. Here's the cool part. Every atom has a tiny nucleus with electrons zipping around it. If an atom were the size of a football stadium, the nucleus would be just a pea at the center. And here's the kicker. After the Big Bang, stars scooped up all the elements, like carbon, oxygen, and gold. When these stars exploded, they scattered these elements into space. So, guess what? You're literally made of star stuff. Chemistry in everyday life. Now, let's talk about how chemistry affects your daily life. Carbon is the ultimate social butterfly. It bonds with everyone, forming DNA, trees, and even you. Oxygen keeps you alive. Every breath you take is chemistry in action. Iron, it's in your blood, helping transport oxygen. Or when you cook a steak, a chemical reaction creates those delicious flavors. Even your phone battery works because of chemistry. It's all about energy and reactions. Burning fuel releases CO2 and energy, while plants reverse this process through photosynthesis. It's like a 3.8 billion year old tug of war. Why chemistry matters? Chemistry isn't just about reactions, it's about solving real world problems. Medicines? They rewire your cells to fight diseases. Ice melting? That's bonds breaking. Fireworks? They're metal salts burning bright. And the future? It's even cooler. Lab-grown meat? No cows needed. Nanobots? They could cure diseases cell by cell. Graphene? It's a carbon sheet just one atom thick, and it might give us unbreakable screens. But chemistry has a dark side too. Plastic waste and climate change are huge challenges. The good news? We can fix it with biodegradable plastics, carbon capture, and more. The tools are already here. Here's the best part. You're part of this story. Every atom in you was forged in dying stars. You're the universe, understanding itself. So what can you do? Recycle, support science, and keep learning. You're a chemistry superhero.